Olive Jr. ROTC. And here to sing the Star Spangled Banner, she's recently performed at the Meadows Festival and South by Southwest. Please welcome singer-songwriter Emily Danger.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam? With stars and bright stars through the perilous fight, all the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streamed, and the king's red
Thank you.